Hey there, space explorers. Have you ever seen a glowing streak in the sky and wondered, what is that? Well, meet comets, our icy, adventurous friends from outer space. Imagine giant, dirty snowballs zooming around the solar system. That's right, they're like snowball ninjas in space. Comets are made up of rock, dust, ice, and gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Fancy, huh? When these space snowballs get close to the sun, they start to heat up, releasing all sorts of gases and dust, creating their magical glowing appearance. Cool and sparkly, comets are like the glitter of the cosmos. Now you might be thinking, just how big are comets? Can I hold one in my hand? Nope, these icy rock stars are gigantic. Most comets are between zero point 0.6 miles to 6 miles wide. That's like the length of 100 soccer fields or more. Times 100. But don't worry, they're far away, so there's no chance of a comet crashing in your backyard. Phew. Instead, these cosmic giants twirl through space like graceful skaters on a huge rink. Let's talk about how comets travel. Comets orbit around the sun just like Earth does, but their paths, or orbits, are super stretched out ovals. While planets follow steady circular tracks, comets are like thrill seekers, zooming closer to the sun and then whooshing far, far away again. When a comet comes close to the sun, it heats up. Remember, it's made of ice. This heat turns the comet's ice into gas and creates a bright, glowing head called the coma. The sun also pushes particles away from the coma, giving the comet its famous streaking tail. Speaking of tails, did you know comets are the only celestial objects with their own magical tail? When they zoom close to the sun's heat pushes the dust and gas backward, making the tail stretch millions of miles long. Yes, millions. Fun fact, the tail always points away from the sun, even when the comet is moving away. So it's like a kite flying through space, flapping beautifully in the solar wind. Okay, kiddos, get ready for some epic numbers. Most comets are way out in deep space, and even when they zoom by Earth, they're still millions of miles away. For example, Halley's Comet, one of the most famous comets, passes by Earth every 76 years. But even at its closest, it's still 50 million miles away. So don't worry, no comet is sneaking up on us anytime soon. Just keep looking up and marvel at the beauty of the night sky. And now, introducing the stars of the comet world. Let's start with Halley's Comet. It's probably the most famous of them all. Last seen in 1986, it'll come back in 2061. That's like forever from now, but mark your calendars. Another star? Comet Neowise. This beauty passed by Earth in 2020, lighting up the night sky with its glowing tail. And don't forget Comet Hale-Bopp, which wowed observers in 1997 and won't return until the 44th century. Talk about fashionably late to the party. Guess what? You can be a stargazing detective and spot real-life comets from Earth. All you need is a clear night, a cozy blanket, and a pair of binoculars. Some comets can even be seen with just your eyes, no telescope necessary. How cool is that? In fact, astronomers are always finding new comets, meaning you might just discover the next big one. Imagine having a comet named after you. Comet your name, the brightest comet in the galaxy. Sounds epic, doesn't it? Comets are so much more than icy space rocks. They're ancient time capsules from the birth of the solar system, carrying clues about the past and sparkling with secrets of the universe. From their icy makeup to their glowing tails and their faraway journeys, they remind us how big and amazing space truly is. And here's the best part. You can be part of the story. Next time a comet like Halley's zooms by, grab your family and friends, look up, and wave to our cosmic snowball visitor. Who knows, you could inspire the next great space explorer, or become one yourself. So, space adventurers, subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment telling us your favorite starry night story. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop wondering about the magical mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up because the stars and comets have so much to share.